Hello and welcome to Brother Frederick Beats. I just bought the Beyerdynamic DT 770 Pro X limited edition 48 ohm closed back studio headphones from Sweetwater. This is the box in which the studio headphones are packed. As you can see, the box is sealed and intact. No one has tampered with it. I can't manage to open the box while filming because my other hand is holding the camera. Let me open the box, then we'll check what is inside the box. Okay, let's see what is packed in this box. Here are the studio headphones. They are brand new as you can see them. So the frequency range of these studio headphones is 5 to 40,000 Hz. This is where you put a detachable cable. I love studio headphones with detachable cable because when the cable is damaged, you don't need to buy new pairs of studio headphones. You just buy a new detachable cable and continue using your headphones. By the way, the cable which these studio headphones use is not any cable which you can use. The specific cable is a min XLR cable, so take note of that. Then there is also a Beyerdynamic history if you want to know more about them. There is a manual for the studio headphones. I can't see the cable. Oh, let's see here it is written pull. Then this side is written open. Okay. Oh, all right. Okay, this is where they put a drawstring bag where you can put your studio headphones if you are not using them or if you are traveling. Then here's the detachable mini XLR cable and its length is 3 meters, which is long enough for me. There is also a 3.5 millimeter jack adapter which you can use to plug your studio headphones direct to the audio interface. But if you don't have an audio interface, just unscrew the jack adapter from the coil and plug your studio headphones direct to your computer. You'll be able to use your headphones like that. And Sweetwater also sent me some sweets. Sweetwater for real. If you were near, I could have given you some. Now you are far. Sorry, next time I will give you some. Okay, so I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one, everybody.